Here are freelancing jobs for students using phone. In this video, I'll be taking you through major online jobs at home using mobile phones for students. Do you wish you can put your phone to work rather than using your phone for texting, chatting, calling, or doing WhatsApp? I'm sure you know that you can use your phone to make money online, listening to music, and playing video games for it. The first freelancing jobs for students using phone is image background remover and replacement. This is an easy job you can do with your phone with a lot of demands on Fiverr and Upwork platforms. Background remover jobs are on serious demands because of a lot of e-commerce stores. They need to remove the backgrounds of their various products before they display them for sales. So they need you to remove the image backgrounds. Go to this platform, set up your profile as image background remover and advertise yourself, and you start getting jobs. You can use a lot of free tools online. Tools like remove.bg. I've done a video about that. You see the link below the description of this video on step-by-step process of how to get that done. Thank you. The second freelancing jobs for students that you can do with your phone is language translator. This is another freelancing jobs that is very popular and on demand with a lot of clients online. They require you to translate English to French, Arabic to Portuguese, Portuguese to English, and vice versa. All you need to do is to get this job and use Google Translate app. At a click of a button, the translation will be done automatically. So this is another great job you can venture into as a freelancer and a student using your phone. Another freelancing jobs for students that you can do with your phone is errand service jobs. This is a gig you can find on Fiverr, and you can even turn this gig into a passive income. Like if you are in Nigeria, there are a lot of Nigerians in US, in UK that want to do something in Nigeria. They are looking for somebody that can do those jobs for them. All you need to do is to showcase that you are ready to be an errand person that they can give any job to in Nigeria. So they assign this job to you on Fiverr, and you let them know how much it will take for you to execute that job. They may send you to another state in Nigeria to oversee a project. You tell them the cost, Fiverr will collect the money from them, you execute the job, you provide your report to the client, and Fiverr will release your money to you. A lot of people are doing this job, and I did a full video on how you can get this done. You can do a chat support jobs online on Fiverr, Upwork, and many other freelancing platforms. Because there are a lot of demands by clients and people that want their jobs done, they may give you a task and list of customers to pass message to. All you need to do is to start chatting customers of your client, passing the necessary messages, and you get paid. I have also done a detailed step-by-step process of how to achieve that, and with multiple platforms. Another job you can do as a freelancer and student using your phone is making money doing commenting jobs on blogs and various social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and so on. There are a lot of clients that just want you to read their blogs and drop comments, and they will pay you for it. So this is another great job you can start right now. I've done videos about that too. Another freelancing jobs for students using your phone is proofreading jobs. Proofreading jobs are on a high demands on multiple platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, and so many of them. There are a lot of clients that have written books, articles, projects in schools that want you to do proofreading for them. And all you need to do is to set up your profile on these multiple platforms and start taking jobs. Do you know the good thing about this particular job? There are a lot of artificial intelligence bots that is developed that you can use to do the job with ease. You can use Grammarly, you can use Qbots. You see them on the screen, and it will make the work easy for you. All you just need to do is to paste the job. It will highlight the mistake, you click the button, the mistake will be corrected automatically, then you submit the job to the client. You will see the link below the description of this video for those free tools and resources. Thank you. Another great jobs you can do online at home as a student is data entry jobs. You can also get data entry jobs as a freelancer. Data entry jobs include transcription jobs, typing jobs, captioning jobs. These jobs are on high demands. In fact, if you venture into this job, you make money like never before. I've done multiple videos on how to get started. You will also see the link below the description of this video. You see, there are many clients that want to transform a PDF to Excel, Word document to PDF, Word document to Excel, and so on and so forth. There are free tools that you can use to do this. I've done video about that too on multiple apps on one platform that you can use to solve that problem. Clients like YouTube creators, they need you to do captioning jobs. That is, as I'm talking now, you are seeing text of what I'm saying on the screen. Somebody did that job for me. So there are a lot of these jobs on demand. All these creators need people that will do their captions, and they go to freelancing website to seek for people that will do the job for them. So you can get busy making money in dollars. Do you like to teach online? You can use your phone to teach as a student from home. Yes, there are a lot of websites that are seeking for people to teach children and adults alike on various subjects from home. And as a student, you are well positioned to teach people and transfer your knowledge to people online. All you need in addition to your phone is earpiece with good internet speed. You'll be able to teach and help people learn new stuff online, and they are ready to pay for it. I've done multiple videos on how you can teach mathematics, how you can teach English, and multiple subjects online. Another job you can do with your phone at home as a student is taking survey. There are a lot of websites that you can sign up with to make money while you take survey online. I came up with 5 legit well-paid survey websites that paid worldwide, and they will pay you directly to your bank account. You see the link below the description of this video and how you cash out your money. Do you know you can make money taking pictures with your phones? Yes, you can. There are a lot of websites that are ready to pay you for every pictures and images on your phone that you submit to their platforms. All you need to do is to start taking pictures of important events like in your church, mosque, restaurants, filling stations, if you are in the countryside, in the village, animals, and important locations. There's a video I did about that on a step-by-step process of how you submit the picture and how you get paid. Another way you can make money as relate to picture and images with your phone is you can also make money coloring photos using your phone. There are a lot of clients on Freelancer, Upwork, and many other multiple freelancing websites that have old pictures that is damaged. They want it repaired. I did a video on a step-by-step process of how to repair and color damaged and old pictures. There are a lot of clients on Fiverr especially. All you need to do is to sign up and start coloring photos. Do you know you can get paid for testing apps? Yes, all you need to do is to start downloading the apps on your phone and start using them, looking for fault and error that the app flagged. The more errors you discover, the more this website will pay you. You can do this job at home as a student with your phone. I even did a video of how to get trained on how to start taking app testing jobs online, and you start making money. So these are major online jobs that you can start right now at home using your phone as a student. You need to take action, decide on one and pursue it. All these jobs, you get paid directly to your bank account via Payoneer with this job. Ensure you use my Payoneer link. Payoneer will give you $25 gift if you sign up with that link. Make sure you read the condition when you are doing that. Thank you. I earlier promised to let you know about the #1 affiliate marketing training center. I get trained, and this has helped me to make money every day, and I've been able to partner with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and many other big companies. You can start right now from Nigeria and from any country you are watching me from. All you need to do is to watch this video. You'll be able to see how to get started, how I started with them, how to sign up. Ensure you use my link. That is the only way I can see you inside the training platform. You can also take advantage of my email affiliate marketing training. It will help you to have a rough overview of what affiliate marketing is all about. Just go to askjofa.com and you can get started. Please drop your comments, like this video so that many people can see this video. Click the notification bell. If you do that, you will always know when I publish my new video every week. The next video, you have to watch it. You will see how you can use affiliate marketing to make $100 every day. That video will show you the real proof and how you can get started. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you.